Hello friends, I hope you are enjoying this series of smart home automation. Today we are going to learn home automation with IR remote. As you can see in video, we will control home appliances by infrared remote like TV remote, AC remote and home theater remote. Let us get started. This is schematic diagram. I am using here 3 bulb, 4 channel relay and Arduino Nano board. You can use another board like Uno or Mega. And I am using here TSOP 1738 IR receiver sensor. It will receive data from remote device and send to controller. And controller will decide which relay should be on or which relay should be off according to data or pressed button from remote device. Now we will see Arduino programming. I have already created this code. I have included here irremote.h library. So first you need to install this library in your IDE. So go to Sketch and click on Include Library, Manage Libraries. And type here IR remote. Okay. This one is by Serif. You can install this library. So I have already installed. You can see here. So if you don't have this library, you should install this library. Otherwise I will close. Here light 1 is connected on 10 number and light 2 pin is connected on 9 number and light 3 is connected on 8 number. Here infrared sensor data pin is connected on 12 number and this is boolean data type variable. Here all pin initialize as a output and I have set by default every pin is high because our relay module is active low. If it will be low, then relay will be active. So by default it is in active mode. Here it will receive the data by infrared sensor. By using IR receive.decode, it will decode the data. Here I am using switch cases condition. It will check result value. If result value is like 1FE48B7, so you can see here I have a picture. So 1FE48B7, it's off button. When off button will be pressed, then it will receive this data 1FE48B7. Then power variable change the state. Here is by default power is false, then power will be here high. So all light will be turned on, otherwise all light will be turned off. If it will be pressed another times, then all light will be turned off. Same cases here. If data will 1FE50AF, so we will check in picture. It will be 1. If 1 will be pressed, you can see here 1FE50AF. If 1 will be pressed, then 1FE50AF will be received. Then light 1 will be turned on. If this button will be pressed another time, then light 1 will be turned off. Here is same cases. It will be for 2. You can see here if two button will be pressed or 2, you can see here 1FED827, 1FED827, and in case of 3 you can see This is 1FE F807. So 1FE F807. You can change this code according to your button. If you want to press another button, so you can change here. I hope you understood this. Now I will check board, Arduino Nano and old bootloader 328. Okay, COM port 12. Okay, so now I will compile and upload. Wow, compiling done successfully. Now I will press the button. I will press 1. You can see red light turn on. 2. Wow. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and share, and don't forget press the bell icon after subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.